welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start with the topic anomalous behavior of water. So what do we understand by the word anomalous? See, the word anomalous means unusual. So we are going to talk about the unusual behavior of water. See, water is a very important substance to survive. Why is it so? It should be unusual, right? It has got few unusual properties than the other substances. Now we are going to study one of them. See, on heating, everything expands. Whenever I am heating something, it is going to expand. On expansion, intermolecular spaces increases. So if I go to take a particular volume, I get less number of molecules, right? So that means density has decreased. So on heating, what is happening? Expansion. Due to expansion, number of molecules per unit volume has decreased. That's why density has decreased. So on contrary, if I am on cooling, what is going to happen? Instead of expansion, on cooling, contraction happens. Contraction means intermolecular spaces has decreased. Now if I go to take a particular volume, I find more number of molecules. That means my density has increased, right? So density increases on contraction. Okay? This is what generally happens. See, now when I go to cool the water, up till 4 degrees Celsius, water contracts. Up to 4 degrees Celsius, water contracts. Okay? So it has got maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. But when I lower the temperature below 4 degrees Celsius, instead of contracting, it expands. Okay? On expansion, below 4 degrees Celsius, on expansion, the density decreases. Okay? So this is the unusual behavior of water. Now why is it important, or where is it used? Okay, see, this is used for the survival of aquatic life. What happens in extreme cold countries? Let me consider this is my river. Okay, and this is the water. Okay, so up till 4 degrees Celsius, it contracts, water contracts. But when the water goes below 4 degrees Celsius, instead of contracting, it expands. So the first layer would freeze. This layer, suppose, freezes. Now, due to freezing, density is low, right? Density is low, so it would be at the top. All the things, see, whenever the density is less, it's going to float. Whatever is of the higher density settles at the bottom, right? That's why when we put the ice cubes, why it floats on the surface? Because of the less density. Okay? So the first layer freezes over. Now ice being the bad conductor, this is my ice. It's a bad conductor. So what it does not allow the heat from the here to escape to the outside. And that's how the aquatic animals and the aquatic plants can survive in extreme cold conditions. So this is the basic reason why water has got this property. Okay. Now suppose if I take the next example, in extreme cold countries, the water pipelines burst. Why it must be happening? Again, due to the anomalous behavior of water. See what happened due to the anomalous behavior of water. When the temperature is below 4 degrees Celsius, instead of contracting, it expands. So the water pipeline can burst because it puts a lot of pressure on the pipes. Okay. Now we have seen even in extreme cold conditions, the rocks crack. Why rocks crack? See, when the weather is normal, the water can go in the crevices of the rock. And once the temperature is below 4 degrees Celsius, it becomes ice, right? And it starts putting pressure on the rock, so the rocks can crack. Okay? So this were the examples and the anomalous behavior of water used. Okay?
If you like my video, do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to share it with your friends.